Tired of struggling to hang pictures? Then you need to attach it. Is hanging those shelves taking all day? Then you need to attach it. Introducing Attach It, the amazing new drywall decorating system that can hang anything in seconds. You put it on the back, get it straight, and push it in the wall. There's no studs to find, no measuring, no ugly holes, and no crooked pictures. Why spend $50 an hour for this handyman? Take any item and put the attachment on the back. Get it perfectly straight with the included level it and push it in the wall. It's easy.